Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Java Stories, and we are building the playlist on the LeetCode questions, and today we are going to solve this LeetCode question number 182. So we have been given this customers table, for example like this, and we have been given orders table, and what we have to find? We have to find all the customers who never order anything. Like in this case, Henry and Max has not ordered anything. And if we see 3 and 1, which is Sam and Joe, has ordered something with the order ID as 1 and 2. Hope you are getting the gist here of the question. How do we solve such questions? It's quite easy. We have to use some joins here. Which join we will see soon. But if you have not watched my basics on joins video, so you have to watch that first video before coming to this video. Or if you know joins, then you could see this video directly. If we do the joins on these two tables, suppose I am doing an inner join on this customers and the orders table, and the column is customer ID column and the orders is customer ID column. These are the two columns which I am going to match it. So the table will look like this: ID, name, this will be orders.id, and this will be orders.customer ID. Let me just enhance this column to this much. Suppose 1 is of course here, so 1 Joe will be of course there in the joining table, and the order ID will be 2 and the customer ID will be 1. Let's see 2 is present or not. 2 is not present here, so this row will not be there in the inner join. Let's see with 3 is there of course, so 3 Sam will of course come, and 2 1 3 will come here because of course we are matching this ID and this column. 4 will come, 4 will not come because 4 is not present in the orders customer ID column. So these two are present. If I do this kind of a join, then I have lost the information of the customer who have never ordered anything. I will just get the customers who have ordered at least something or not, but we have to find the other thing. So we have to do a left join here, because in the left join, like 2 and Henry will also be present, and the order ID will be null here. This will also be a null, because in the left join, the left table columns are always present and the right columns will not be present because they are not matching at all. 4 and Max will come here with the value as null and with the value as null. So this will be our joining table with the left join. And after we have done this kind of a join, we could simply say where the order.id is null, return me the customers.name here. With this theory in mind, we will go to the LeetCode and try to write the solution directly, and we will not go to the data grep here because this question is quite easy now. Let's go to the LeetCode. I am in the LeetCode and I have already explained this question, customer who will never order. We have to just write select star from customer. Let me give this an alias of C. We have to do a left join on the orders O, and how we are going to join these tables on C dot of course ID equals to orders table is customer ID, O dot customer ID. Now we have to say where O dot ID is null, because the right side will be null, which is not matching, and we have to print those names C dot name as customers. This is what we need to write. Let's see while submitting the solution. See, this is working fine, at least on a one test case, and I am going to submit the solution now and check on all the test cases. Yes, I am able to beat at least 73.73% on the LeetCode users. So yes, we are able to successfully solve this question. If you are liking this content, then please like this video, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. Bye bye.